Undersecretary Nasira Natayona, the head of the DTI Regional Operations Group, ASEC Leonila Baluyot, ASEC Grace, salamat po at nakarating po kayo sa ASEC Grace Baluyan. To the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the Provincial Government of Occidental Mindoro, headed by Vice Governor Honorable Anacita Diana Apigo Tayag. Salamat po sa pagdating, representing also our Governor Eduardo Quijano. Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management Officer John Fernandez and Provincial Tourism Officer Lirio Labay, representing the Marinduque Provincial Governor Honorable Venecio Go. The Provincial Tourism Officer Sir Kim Paderon, representing the Romblon Provincial Governor Honorable Trina Permalo Pabic. Sorry po sa kanina, dapat pala si Sir Governor Milasio Gupo of the Provincial Governor ng Marinduque, represented by Sir John Fernandez. Nandito rin po kanina si Honorable Congressman Ray Salvacion ng Marinduque. To the Acting City Trade Industry Officer, Ms. Joanne Margaret Lanes, representing Mayor Doy Leachon of Calapan City. Honorable Macho Mendoza, representing the Puerto Princesa City Mayor, Honorable Losilo Byron. Sir, thank you po. To the Assistant Regional Director of the DTI Mimaropa, Sir Rudy Mariposque. The OIC Regional Director, Carlo Villaflores of the Department of Migrant Workers, Mimaropa. Ma'am Jeline, Doctor of the UST Mimaropa, representing RD Jerry Mercado. Thank you po, ma'am. Ma'am Christine Redorullo of DNR Mimaropa, representing Red Felix Mirasol Jr. DepEd Mimaropa, Assistant Regional Director, Ma'am Cherilu Tepia. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. To my 5 Provincial Directors, PD Arnel, PD Noel, PD Roniel, PD Orville, PD Emma. Salamat. To my Division Chiefs, Karen, Pirio, Burrs, and Ria. And to my team from the DTI Mimaropa regional and provincial offices. To our honored guests, esteemed entrepreneurs, and of course, the President of the PhilExport, Dr. Sergio Ortiz Luis Jr. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta po ninyo. And of course, to our entrepreneurs from the different provinces of the Mimaropa region, magandang araw po sa ating lahat and welcome to the second run of Obra Mimaropa Trade Show. With over 100 participating entrepreneurs from Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and Palawan, we aim to surpass the sales generated from last year. But beyond the numbers, the increase in the number of exhibitors signifies something ever more meaningful, that more products from the Mimaropa region are being showcased to wider market, more people are appreciating the entrepreneurial spirit of our communities, and ultimately leading to their exponential growth. In addition to our retail hall, we are also thrilled to present a vibrant display of creative expression through visual arts, featuring pieces of inspiration by food, fashion, and home furnishing. Moreover, through the 6 Bayanihan exhibits, where we take visitors on a journey across the islands of Mindoro, Marinduque, Palawan, and Romblon, by offering a glimpse into the unique way of life in the Mimaropa region. We also have an excellent lineup of talks, discussions, and performances from the creative industry, of course, all free of charge. Let me take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to our partners, the Department of Trade and Industry, headed by our Secretary, Ma'am Christina A. Roque, and the Regional Operations Group led by, of course, our USEC, Bless Nantayona. The PhilExport, sir, again, thank you. The Provincial Government of Occidental Mindoro, Provincial Government of Marinduque, City Government of Calapan in Oriental Mindoro, the Department of Agriculture, Mimaropa, the Department of Tourism, Mimaropa, the Provincial Government of Romblon, the City Government of Puerto Princesa, Palawan, the Department of Science and Technology, Mimaropa, the Department of Information and Communication Technology, Mimaropa, the Department of Migrant Workers, Mimaropa, and our official payment partner, the GCash. Your support has been instrumental in making this event possible. This year's Obra Mimaropa will sustain the event's core strategy, that is to boost the dynamic connection of the creative and entrepreneurial communities, advocating for the preservation and celebration of our multicultural and diverse heritage across the provinces. Building on this, we are introducing the tagline, Marami pa sa Mimaropa, a slogan that will fuel and drive for a more inclusive celebration of the region's various sectors and industry. The hashtag Marami pa sa Mimaropa surpasses its metadata label function. It is a movement to promote and capture economic diversification and local entrepreneurship in the region. We believe that from the pristine waters of Palawan to the historical sites of Marinduque, lush forests of Occidental Mindoro, rich agricultural produce of Oriental Mindoro, and world-class marble deposits of Romblon, there's so much more waiting to be explored, experienced, loved, discovered, and celebrated in Mimaropa. From masterfully crafted wood furniture to delicious healthy snacks and distinctive artisanal pieces, the products that you will see around are the result of numerous product and market development assistance activities led by our regional and provincial offices as well as by our negosyo centers. Beyond these interventions, our entrepreneurs poured their time, effort, and help into creating products that are not only marketable but also meaningful, a true reflection of the identity and spirit of the people of Mimaropa. On behalf of the whole GTI Mimaropa, I would like to thank all our partners, the micro, small, and medium enterprises, and the creatives for making this event possible and for working with us toward economic growth in the region. Once again, marami pa sa Mimaropa, kaya tayo na sa Obra Mimaropa. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.